Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. So this is one of our tools created for Excel to create bulk invoicing software. After going through the internet for various solutions and information, couldn't find any concrete solution. So this is a very productive tool for businesses who export their invoice data from softwares, from online stores, and they need to generate invoicing using the data exported. So this tool simplifies that process and tedious work to just few seconds. So going forward, I'll just give you a quick demo. So we have a data sheet which contains all the data. It can be exported data, any type, and this is the invoice format which have the details of your company, and the invoice format can be customized to the type that you require. And using the click of a button will create multiple invoices at one go. So we'll just go ahead. So generate PDF desktop. So we'll just save the data. The file will be saved using the order ID. You can change the name if you wish to do so. Invoice for test 1. Save. And then again yeah, so all the 4 data have been formatted to the invoice format in just one go. So let's check one of our data. So this is Kamakhya. This is order ID 5408MP 5P1. So 5400MP1. So we have Kamakhya Telecom as the buyer, address, product, sorry about that, sorry and we have the items, rates, all in one go and into the PDF generated invoice format. Now let's check one of the other invoices. 78 SSJ 78 SSJ buyer Ali, Colonel, date, mode of payment. So it's quite a handy tool for those who want their Excel data to be converted to invoice format in one go, which this task would have otherwise taken I don't know how many hours. So if you want to have a software as well, you can contact me in the number given below in the description box. Thank you.